Welcome to our CheckFleet app. Seamlessly integrate your Geotab fleet data with Salesforce. If you are a Geotab and a Salesforce customer, use CheckFleet to integrate your fleet data with Salesforce. You'll improve customer satisfaction and increase productivity. Go to the CheckFleet app listing on the Salesforce App Exchange. Click Get It Now. Once CheckFleet is installed, go to the CheckFleet Setup page and enter your My Geotab credentials. That's it. Data will start flowing automatically. View your devices, trips, exceptions, and more. You can view your data in the built-in CheckFleet reports and dashboards. CheckFleet setup is a breeze. Your Geotab data will auto-populate in Salesforce within an hour. Increase the productivity of your Salesforce team and improve your customer experience. Get the free trial of the full product now. That's all for now. Thanks.